Plamere Consultation and Consent Form template. This template is available on the IPEGS system and is fully editable. You can add your own logo as well as set your own primary colours and mandatory field highlight colours. This web form can be accessed on any internet connected device, be that a phone, tablet, laptop or PC, and there is no need to download any apps. This form can be sent to the client via email so they can complete it remotely, which will save time on the day of the appointment, or it can be completed face-to-face with the client on the day, so it is very flexible. You can also edit or add any information you like to this form. So when a client first opens up this form, they will be able to enter their name, date of birth, contact number, and email so that they can receive a copy of the completed form to their email as well. Once they have done this, there is a procedure information section for them to read through and confirm. Each statement can be ticked to show their understanding. Next, there is a photographic consent section where the client can select yes or no. If they select yes, a signature box will show and they can sign to show their consent. So if they are using their phone or any touchscreen device to fill out the form, they can sign using their finger. Or if they are using a laptop or desktop, they can click on the signature box and sign using the mouse or trackpad. This can be cleared if they are not happy with it and signed again. Then the client can print their name, which will attach to the signature along with the date and time. Following this, there is a consent section for a patch test. The client can read through this and then electronically sign the section in the same way that I have just demonstrated. On the next page, there is a Contraindications section outlining the medical conditions that are not suitable for this procedure. If the client answers yes to having any of these conditions, a statement will show to notify them that the procedure is not suitable. If they select no, the statement will simply instruct the client to continue with the form. Next, there is a section for the client's medical information where they can go through the questions and fill out accordingly. Some questions will have a yes or no option, and based on the client's answer will show or hide additional questions. There is also a text box for the client to enter any additional details in regards to their answers to the medical conditions. The client will then select which skin type they are using the handy pick list tool. Moving on to the next page, there is the consent section for the procedure itself. The client will then sign the form if they are happy to continue with the treatment, and this is done in exactly the same way as I previously demonstrated. On the last page, there is some COVID-19 guidance which will help to protect both the client and yourselves. At the end of the form, there is a data protection and privacy statement which the client can read through. If the client would like to send a copy of the submitted form to their email address, they can tick this option here, or you can set the form up in a way that will automatically send clients a copy, in which case this button will simply disappear from the form. The client will then click Submit, and you will receive an email notification to confirm the form has been submitted. From the email, you can view the form and download it as a PDF if you wish. The form will also be uploaded to the IPEGS portal, where you can then file and store the form and easily search for and view it at a later date. So that was an introduction video to our Plamere Plasma Consultation and Consent Form template. This form is available along with many other editable templates on the IPEGS system. If you would like to view and test this form yourself, you can do this via the link below.